As home bakers, we all want to make amazing bread in our own kitchens with great success, don't we? All of the time, not just some of the time. And what's more, we want to feel good about it while we're doing it, free from the worry of, does this look right to you? Is this puffing up properly? Confidence in the kitchen arrives as we begin to understand why it is we do what we do in the way that we do it. Why we need bread dough in the first place and why sometimes that we don't. Why we shape it in the way that we shape it and why it puffs up. That's why I've created the Home Bakers Club. The Home Bakers Club is a brand new online bread making course platform at bakewithjack.co.uk where you can bake bread with me in your kitchen in your own time wherever you are on the planet. Together we will learn new skills and techniques, and as you evolve as a home baker, so too will the Home Bakers Club. Every once in a while I'll be adding new chapters, new recipes and ideas, exploring the infinite landscape that bread making presents us. And not only that, but in true Bake with Jack style, we'll make tasty and exciting dishes to go with your bread when you've baked it, celebrating your achievement and making the bread the star of the show. Having a recipe is part of the puzzle, but it's all the other unspoken things, those little bits and bobs that we chat about along the way that hold massive value, giving you the knowledge you need to make sense of past mistakes and avoid frustrating failure, and instead achieving that perfect rise, that crispy crust, that well-deserved success every single time. Every bread recipe in the Home Bakers Club has been carefully selected because it holds a lesson for us. Some unique aspect that we can take and use and learn to build our home baker's instinct. You've been asking me for online courses for as long as I can remember, and now the doors are open. So begin your journey today on the launch day of the Home Bakers Club. I'll see you there. As home bakers, we all want to bake amazing bread with success. In our kitchens with great success, don't we? Casual. As home bakers, we want to bake amazing. We all want to make amazing bread in our own kitchens, at home. Our own kitchens with great success, don't we?